Thank you, sir. And all the members of this meeting on that. And dear friends, first of all, I would like to thank the organizers for organizing such an event here to inspire the students and to motivate them and to guide them towards these services. And I would like to thank them for giving me this opportunity also. First, let me ask you one question. How many of you are confident that you will get into civil services? How many of you are confident? नहीं सर, civil services guidance के लिए आया था ना, but why most of you are not confident? हाथ उठा दीजिए ना. How many of you are confident? So what about others? Confident नहीं है आप? So this I'll share my experience. See, I was in my 10th class I was not very good at studies. So mostly I used to score only 35, 40, 45, maximum 50 times. So इससे ज़्यादा मुझे कभी नहीं मिला था. So in 10th, then I realized my parents are also a little. हमारा तो it's very it's like a small town in Andhra Pradesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am from a small town. It's like Udalguri only, maybe a little bit bigger than Udalguri. And I went to a small private school. Very small school. It's and we never used to speak in English or anything. Just वहाँ पे it's a small school with a strength of around 150, 200. And उसके बाद at that time after 10th class, when I wanted to do my take biology by PC to get into MBBS. So उस time मेरा neighbor सब बोला था becoming a doctor it's a very difficult thing. Nobody. In my family there was no doctor beforehand, and in my friend circle or neighbors also no doctor was there. So they were kind of telling me not to unnecessarily get into biology, medicine and all, take some mathematical and arts background and after that get into engineering. But I wanted to become doctor. I know it's very difficult because my grades were very poor. So then for the next 2 years in the 10th, 11th class and 12th class, I had to study very hard. So almost, I'm just giving my life experience only. So almost every day I used to study for at least 16 to 17 hours, whether you believe it or not. For those 2 years I studied very hard. Because 8th, 9th, 10th I did not study anything. I was not at all confident. And during our period in Andhra the competition was very tough. For only one exam almost 150,000 people used to appear. Only for MBBS. The seats number was around 1500. So it's almost, you can imagine, 1:1000 kind of thing. So we had to study very hard at that time. So finally, luckily I got into MBBS. So at the end of MBBS also, during MBBS also, I was not interested in civil services. So I wanted to continue being a doctor. So but during the end of medicine, वहाँ पे I realized when I went to the field, when we were visiting field also, we had lot of experiences. When let's say कुछ schools में गया था to check the kids and all, वहाँ पे then I have seen the midday meal. Midday meal actually यहाँ पे अभी बहुत अच्छा है. At that time in 2010, 2011, it was a very bad time. Few of us, when we went to the camp, we had the food there. All of us had vomiting. Then we realized how these kids are eating that food. So then onwards we started thinking, group of our friends, how can we improve something? How can we do some justice or good to these people? And then I decided let's try civil services. So then again it was a difficult choice only because I was preparing for my post-graduation. I wanted to become a cardiologist. So I was studying for that very seriously. And I never, see, in medicine our knowledge is confined to within the body. Body ke bahar kya ho raha hai, nobody knows. We never knew actually. We were just confined to our medicine books. I had never read newspaper. I was not watching the news also. So I had no idea. I was not confident whether if I take civil services whether I will be able to clear it or not. And there are many examples also. Actually, many of my seniors also tried, they also attempted civil services and they could not get it. So all my friends and all, they also suggested not to unnecessarily waste time, just to go with flow only to get into post graduation and to get into some post graduation after that super specialty and to settle down. But I wanted, I mean, it was a risky decision also. So because if at all if I don't get into civil services after 2 attempts or 3 attempts, then again it would be very difficult to go back and to study for PG because I would have forgotten everything by that time. So then it's a risky choice that I have chosen. Then I have given my first attempt. I cleared prelims luckily, but mains I could not clear. Then I given my second attempt. Second attempt I cleared prelims. I wrote mains. Again I could not clear my mains. Then I went to job. So my PhD in medical officer जैसा काम किया था 1.5 year. So when I was doing my job, do you know cognitive dissonance normally कहते हैं. If you want to do something and if you are not able to do that, so there will be always that constant struggle within you. So then after during in that hospital also, in the primary health center, there were many issues. Just दो तीन example मैं बोल देता हूँ. Let's say whenever an infant or mother dies, normally PhD medical officer, we go to that particular place, we do audit. So audit करने के बाद we will find out the reason why the infant died or else why the mother died. So during that period, I have observed many infants, female kids say. So lot of mothers they used to kill their kids, if they are females. So lucky I have Assam is far ahead in that one in the sense here egalitarian society they treat most males and females in the same way. But I have seen many states where they want only male chains and few of them they want their killing the female chains also when their fetus or immediately when they are born. So in such scenario I was just trying what can we do here. So because even though we were reporting at the time it was nothing was happening, my seniors also used to discourage me not to report such things. Because again it will reflect very badly saying that they are not able to control those things. So then I realized I should go back to my civil services preparation. I should be part of administration so that I can bring something. And few more examples say normally most of your parents also or grandparents will be having knee pain. Knee pain osteoarthritis बोलते हैं. So in the knee pain also, let's say I used to see many people used to come to my primary health center. They never used to have the stick also. They can't even walk. So it's a chair they used to take the support of chair and they used to come to the hospital. And they used to come all the way from 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers. And they used to come every day. Because hospitals, they were not giving even tablets also. Diclofenac they used to give only one tablet, paracetamol one tablet. So every day they used to come. And these are small things. Maybe if I am a PhD medical officer, yes, in my PhD I can make a change. But if I am into IAS or some administrative service, then I can change the scenario for the whole disease. So I thought I should come back for my preparation. Then again, the problem was my family was not very well off, lower middle class. So resigning from my government job was a tough decision. Again I had to resign for the job. This time, this was my 4th attempt. When I was doing my job, I had done my 3rd attempt. So 4th attempt, what I have done, I have written down all the mistakes that I have done in the last 3 years. कहाँ पे mistakes किया था preparation में, and what all the time कहाँ पे waste कर रहा था. So I have made a note of all those things, and I had a very small time. I resigned for my job in I think May, and prelims was in July. So I had only 1 month for prelims and 3 months preparation for mains, 3 to 4 months I think. So it was I had very short time, so I had listed down all the problems or else all the mistakes that I have done, and I tried to rectify each and every mistake. Luckily I got through the exam. So why I have just told my all my experiences first. See, I was not very confident. Initially after 10th class I was not confident that I will get into medical school. I was not confident that I will get into civil services. I was never confident at that time. But first thing my parents had confidence in me. So they used to say, if you want to do something, you can do it. Don't even See, many times you will have self-doubt. So if you are preparing for civil services or for any competitive exam, remove that self-doubt from your mind. So be confident. See, if a person like me who was able to score just 35, 40 10th class, was just able to, I was just able to pass in my classes, that's all. So if I am able to clear the exam, definitely all of you will be able to do it. And forget about आप यहाँ पे असम में है, rural area में, and like many people, I know, I had my personal experiences because I am from a very small school. Many of the people whom I used to prepare with, they are from public schools. They used to speak very good English, and they already know many things. So whenever we used to discuss also, they used to I used to have that feeling that I never learned anything during my schooling period, and also I was not ready for giving civil services exam, and I used to get demotivated at times also. So, but don't see, civil services exam preparation is like an ocean. You need not learn each and everything. So, Adi, I think Bicon IAS Institute, he is also there. So he will be able to guide you better. It's because I have written my exam in 2015. It's been almost 7 years, so I will not be able to exactly tell you how to prepare right now. But based on my experiences, I will be able to tell you few things. Like first, remove self-doubt from your mind. Second thing, learn basics. See, when I started my preparation, few of my seniors suggested me to read very huge volumes. I prepared, I think for economy itself, I read Dr. Sundaram, Ramesh, and Sriram IAS Academy. For each subject, I have studied more than 5 to 6 books. It's of no use. Don't read too many books. Stick to 1 or 2 books. Either, at that time, I preferred, I don't know how it is now. Sriram's economy was there at that time, so the basics was very clear in that book. So I used to study that book, and also newspaper also. Here I would say don't try to spend too much time on newspapers. Newspapers maximum read it for half an hour to 45 minutes per day, and even in that half an hour to 45 minutes, just try to go through the headings of the first paper and a few other main business or international relations, and try to read the editorial column. Editorial, how many of you are reading Hindu newspaper here? Only 3 or 4. So any other English newspaper? Any of you are reading? Okay. Fine. Newspaper, see, newspaper reading is not just for the knowledge. Your comprehension also will improve. Try to read English newspaper, at least either any newspaper. I think sir would be able to explain it to you. It might be Hindu, Indian Express, or any other newspaper. Editorial column एक बार पढ़ लीजिए, and open editorial also will be there. So lead page will be there. So those pages, and see by reading editorial, CSAT exam also, it's a preparation for CSAT exam also. So what I used to do is, I used to keep a time limit, 5 minutes or 10 minutes to complete that editorial. So that our comprehension also will improve, and at the same time I will save time also. So I used to prepare it for CSAT also, the reading that editorial part. And these are small things regarding newspaper. Don't waste too much time on newspaper. Stick to 1 or 2 books. Whatever the books might be, don't try to read everything and anything. And be very confident in your preparation. See, once again just now, after getting into civil services, recently you have seen unprecedented floods in Udalguri. So civil services offer you power to serve people. Whenever I went to relief camps, whenever we went to rescue operations, we were able to rescue more than 500 to 600 people. We were able to, total 80,000 people got affected, 280 villages got affected. So we were able to serve all those people. We managed 44 relief camps. See, these are all, it appears to be you will be doing many jobs. You might be in IT sector, you might be in any other sector. Every job will have its own kick. But being in civil services, it gives you vast opportunity to serve people, and at the same time, especially I'll be able to tell you, I was in Golaghat district. I was in Nagaur district, and then I went to Secretariat. I worked in Finance Department. I was looking after state budget. I was looking after ASPI. There is one project known as ASPI, which deals with financial reforms in the state. So I am from medicine background. I was in finance, then I was in election department, then I was setting a software project of financial reforms. So these are all different exposures. So if I was a doctor, I would not have imagined that I would be able to work with agriculture department. I would be able to work with social welfare department. So and finance, software projects. So all these things are different experiences that we will get. You will not get all these experiences anywhere else. I am very sure about it. And the scale, I was looking after the budget of entire state. Like here also in the district, as a district magistrate, you will have lot of responsibilities. You will be able to serve lot of people. See, Udalguri is one of the most backward districts in the country. It's an aspirational district. How many of you know that Udalguri is an aspirational district? Aspirational district क्या है पता है आपको? Okay, like Honorable Prime Minister like vision is to identify the most backward districts in the country. Like out of 800 plus districts in the country, they have identified 112 districts. Out of 112 districts, most backward districts in the country, Udalguri is one of them. So, like this district is very backward, very poor, and it requires like हमारा घर है and we have to develop it, and it requires all your effort. So you have to think about the people here, not just people here, people of Assam, people of our country. So how we can improve the lives of those people? Like you might go into different services. You might be in civil services, you might be in some other services also. But like try to give back something to your place also. And last but not least, I would want to tell you, civil services is 10 lakh people would be writing the exam every year. And out of that, only 1,000 people or 1,500 people will be getting into service, 1,000 people at max. And so, like, what should you do? Just after your degree, or else after your internship, you start for civil services preparation. If at all you don't get into civil service preparations, then what will you do? So keep an alternate career also. If I was not into civil services, I would have been a doctor. So don't just blindly get into this civil services mode that unless you have to get into civil services only, or else you don't have any future. Don't think in that way. So just make sure that you have an alternate career also. It's very important. Or else every time that you fail in exam, you will have that fear. I could not clear this exam, next what to do? So you will have that stress. It's very difficult to deal with that stress. So always try to have an alternate career. Do good in your studies. Most of you are just doing your degree now. Yeah. So do your best. Study well in your graduation. Try to get into some good college. See, there are many colleges. After MBA, like after degree, you will have options. Whether you can get into MBA or else any good college. Good college plays a very important role. Good college in the sense, like I am not talking about college, how the academics are something. Let's say if you go to some college in Guwahati, Delhi, or else if you go to some college in Hyderabad, Bangalore, you will get lot of exposure. Many of your friends also will be preparing for civil services. You will have access to many different materials also. And the competitive spirit will be there in those colleges. So try to get into some best college. Then automatically you will gain that confidence, and also your friends, there will be a small group of friends also. I don't know how many of you are studying together. कुछ groups form किया है आपने to study also, to help each other, to guide each other. Did you form any groups? Like you are preparing, कोई है आपका company to prepare? So हाँ. Okay, but here you don't have any company here. So that's what, see, अगर आप prepare हो रहे, so just make sure that you talk to each other regarding civil services preparation also. Like because see, it's a long time preparation. Like mostly 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. When I told my parents after my medicine that I have no idea of civil services, it will take at least 3 to 4 attempts for me to crack the exam. They were a little worried. So, which parent will allow you if you say initially when you starting the preparation, if you tell them that before 4 attempts I will not be able to clear the exam, but still they were supportive. They said if you have confidence in me, we don't have any problem. You go ahead. My father used to tell that I have 4 years for my retirement. So till that point, you can prepare for whatever that you exam you want. Then it would be difficult for me. So luckily I cleared my exam within that 4 years only. So attendance doesn't matter. Like you have to have the patience. You should have the perseverance. And every day while going to bed in the night, make sure whether you are going towards your goal or not. So if you are it's a long journey, and every day it will not be completed in 1 day, 2 days. Every day you have to take one step towards your goal. And every day before going to your bed, please think about that day, whether you are going towards your dream or not. All of us have dreams, but how many of you are giving dreams to it? So that is more important. Having a dream is important, and equally working towards the goal or dream is also equally important. So every day before going to bed and repeating it again and again, so that you will remember it. Every day before going to bed, please think whether you are going towards your goal, whether you have done something to improve your prospects over civil services or any competitive exam or anything that you want. I wish you all the very best. I will conclude my speech here. But anytime if you want any guidance or anything, not just for civil services, for state civil services also. Most of my ADCs and assistant commissioners, they are young generation only, like they have cleared the exam 2-3 years earlier. So if you want any training session or else again guidance session to be arranged, you can come and contact us. We will try to arrange it in the college itself or else in our office. Okay, thank you, and I wish you all the very best.